Welcome back, everybody. Today we are going to do a slow cooker dish. It's going to be an Italian chicken dish, and the recipe is down in the description box if you want to cook along at home. So let's go put this together. All right, first we're going to mix some ingredients together. We have a can of Italian style stewed tomatoes. I'm going to put that in a bowl. Next, we have an Italian style can of tomato paste. We have 2 cloves of garlic chopped up and a teaspoon of oregano. And we're going to mix this up. Okay, we have our slow cooker. I'm going to take the lid off. Now we're going to add 12 ounces of frozen green beans right on the bottom. Let's put that out. Now we're going to add 8 ounces of fresh mushrooms. And we're going to spread them out. Mushrooms are sliced. A medium onion sliced. Kind of layer it. Now we have roughly 6 chicken thighs. They're boneless and skinless. I chopped them up about inch and a half pieces, and we're just going to layer this on top of all our vegetables. Okay, we layered our chicken. Now we're going to take our tomato mixture and we're just going to layer this on top. And we're just going to spread this out the best we can. We're going to put our lid on. We're going to put it on low. And we're going to let this cook for 6 hours. Okay, while we're almost at the 6th hour mark for our crock pot, we're going to boil 8 ounces, so half a pound, of fettuccine. And we're going to cook this for 12 minutes and we're going to strain it. All right, we are just at the 6 hour mark, and we're going to open this up. And this smells amazing. I'm going to give this a stir. Oh, look at that. All right, we have a little bit of pasta, and we are going to put this lovely food right on there. Look at that. Mushrooms, green beans, chicken. 6 hours. And we're going to add just a little bit of parm on top. Look at that. All right, let's try this out. Chicken's cooked all the way through. It just pulls right apart. Just comes right apart. Look at that. Green beans. They're soft. They're not mush. which is good. Amazing Italian dish for your slow cooker. And this is a Classical Gourmet wishing you happy cooking.